Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the Breeze dating app. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Breeze app. After the app is installed, open it on your phone. You will be asked to create an account using your mobile number. Enter your number and confirm it with the code you receive. On the dashboard, you will see dating profiles. Breeze is different from most dating apps because there are no endless swipes. You only get a limited number of profiles per day. The number of profiles depends on your region and location. Some days you may see profiles, and some days you may not. This is normal. When you see a profile, you can review it carefully and decide if you are interested. If you like a profile and get a match, Breeze encourages you to meet in real life instead of chatting for a long time. You can plan a date directly in the app. To plan a date, you need to pay a fee. This fee is usually around €9, depending on your country. The app helps arrange the date by selecting a place and time. There is also a section where you can learn more about how Breeze works. Next, go to the profile section. Here you can edit your profile details. You can add your name, gender, background, and other basic information. You can also describe your personality, hobbies, beliefs, habits, and what you want in a relationship. You must upload at least 4 photos of yourself to complete your profile. In this section, you can also set your date preferences. You can choose preferences such as age range, city, gender, height, and other details. This helps the app show you more suitable matches. You will also find the date wallet where you can add tokens. These tokens are used when you plan dates. Finally, you can go to the settings to change the app language if needed. That is how you use the Breeze dating app from start to finish. Thanks for watching.